M0FXB, welcome to my channel. TYT MD380 and this new microphone that I just purchased for £9, which I think is really nice. It matches, you know, it's got the same logo, a nice little belt clip. Now we're going to test this on my HubNet audio test, so thanks very much to HubNet. We've also got a 3.5 jack there, so we could plug a speaker into that and we'll test that as well. But I thought more fun would be to test my Bluetooth transmitter. Now you can get these for about £8 on Amazon. They have a TX-RX button, so when you plug the 3.5mm jack into, well, you can't actually plug it into the radio, you need a 3.5mm. That's why I really like the fact that we've got it here. So plug it into that and then it will Bluetooth to either a speaker or a headset. You know, something like this. Bluetooth headset, you get the idea. So the first thing I'm going to do is test what the audio sounds like with and without this microphone, which was £9 basically on AliExpress, and I'll put the link in the description. But I really like the way it looks, so you won't be seeing me talking into it because I'm going to bring it near my mouth. So let's just give it a go. So what we do, we go onto HubNet and we put it onto audio test, and we're on the HubNet frequency here, and I'll just show you what the screen looks like when I do that. So this is the control panel for the G7RPG HubNet node, and it's an all-star node. And I just click, if I click on HubNet now, you hear that?
HUBNET connected to M0FXB.
That's HubNet. But if we want, we can select audio test. Also, all these other systems here. So it's a fantastic system. If you're interested, just contact G7RPG@hotmail.com and he makes these node boxes. So we're in audio test. Let's give it a call now. Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo, test, test, test.
Playback.
And that's analog, yeah? Not
Fox X-Ray Bravo, test, test, test.
And I think that sounds really good myself. Let's do that again. M0FXB, test, test, test.
Playback. M0FXB, test, test, test.
Some breakup, but I think that sounds fine. Yeah, it's a speaker microphone. Let's unplug it from here. And then do that again. So let me just hold the radio to my mouth.
Playback. M0FXB, test, test, test.
And yes, it does sound better from the radio. I mean, they got these radios, when they made them, they just got it right. Solid, rugged. The hardest thing is learning to program them, but you know, once you've got your head around it, they're really good radios, and the RT3S, RT3 ETC. Okay, the next test, we're going to plug in our transmitter into the microphone jack here. And I've not even tested this, so we don't know it's going to work. We need to turn on the speaker. These are about £5 on eBay, Amazon. Turn it on, it starts to flash. Obviously, make sure it's charged. Turn on the transmitter at the same time. They both flash, and when they both go blue, they're paired. That's how good it is. And then the switch is on TX. So when there's audio coming from this jack, it will transmit it from here to either your headphones or your speaker. So let's just see if that's, I'm not sure if that paired. I hear it make a noise. They both seem to be blue. So let's just talk into one of these devices and see what happens. M0FXB, test, test, test.
Playback. M0FXB, test, test, test.
So can you see that is now Bluetooth? So we effectively now have a Bluetooth setup. So only for, not for PTT, just for speaker, but that's okay. It means I can carry this speaker now, because at the moment I'm tied to the radio and the speaker microphone. I can now go, you know, the range of Bluetooth, yeah? Bring this with me and just listen. Now, whether we could also think of a way to PTT, I don't think so, because it's an audio out only. It's not going into the PTT pin, is it? So I wonder if we can still use the radio as normal. M0FXB, test, test, test.
Playback. M0FXB, test, test, test.
Yeah, that does work. Now, I need to, the thing is, what headset will pair with this? This is a TalkPod headset. I don't know if it would pair with this set, but you get the idea. If you have one, you've got to experiment a bit with these. But otherwise, it's great fun. You know, this was running the TYT tools. So let's go down to utilities, program radio. I haven't actually used this set for ages. Let's see if we go back. What else do we get? Menu. No, I think we have to go to utilities. MD3 tools, there it is there. Boot options, date, format, TG display, promiscuous mode. When you've got the tools, it opens up lots of new options for you. And it's still available now, the tools. You can even change the colour of the screen. I just keep it because when I do use it, I just enjoy it so much I don't want to sell it. But overall, I think that I'm very pleased with the purchase of this for £9. I think it looks the part, it's solid looking. I just like it. And you know me, always tinkering. Thanks for watching my channel. 7-3, all the best.